Hey folks, I have a baritone ukulele for you today. It's number 655. It's a really beautiful instrument, and it really is what I'm all about right now. The back and sides are some of this spalted dogwood from the carpenter ant stash. This is the stuff that Ken cut down many years ago and has been sitting in the shed, and we finally sliced it up for instruments, and it serves really well as a back and side wood. It really reflects the sound great, and I love it. It's a very funky wood to work with, though. I mean, it's got all kinds of little flaws and voids and things to fill and things to deal with. There's even a patch down here where I cut a little, or a place where I cut a little patch to put in, because it's really funky wood, but, you know, I don't mind the challenge and I don't want to waste any of it. Beautiful red cedar top from Zach from Oceana Ukuleles. He gave this to me the last time he visited. And cedar is an awesome top wood. So I used pistachio binding all around, and I didn't use any of the black lines for purfling or for filler. So it's just got that natural kind of wabi-sabi look to it. Multicolored everything. And pistachio fretboard, headplate, and bridge. Old fir neck. And this is a baritone, but it's tuned GCEA, which is a great way to do it. Yeah. It's just got all of it, man. It's just super beautiful sound, really fun to play. I hope Cameron loves it, because I certainly do. And yeah, number 655. Cheers.